Dear students, welcome again to the Upper Intermediate English course. Today I will explain you how to access to the activities that you have to develop for the next 3 weeks. So remember that you need to go to Classroom in Google. For this, you need to access with your UTP account. It is very important. When you access the Classroom, you go to the Upper Intermediate English course, and you will find here the stream, which contains some news, announcements, and assignments and important information for the subject. In this case, we already have these 2 assignments, so they are already published. When you go to the classwork, you will find different information related to the course, and here we will focus on the task number 1, that is writing a short critique to an ad that sexualizes and objectifies women. Remember that the percentage of this task is 15% of the final grade of the course. In this task, you will find some different information. The first one that is already published is information that contains texts, videos, general information, resources for the development of the task. Also, you will find the schedule for our synchronous meetings during the next 3 weeks. For example, here we have a video, so you can click on this video and you access it. Here you have a link to access a web page, another link, a PowerPoint presentation, and some information related to the task. The second one is not published yet, but it is scheduled to be published on August the 10th, and it closes on August the 16th. This one is a quiz that you will have to develop, and it is 5% of the grade. In here you will find some information related to the quiz. You will find a text that you need to read and analyze, and you will find the quiz in Google Forms. When you open the quiz, you will find more detailed information on how to do it. This is true or false, but it is very important that you justify your answers and then you have a discussion with your classmates. So it is not only answering true or false, but keeping in mind the reason why you select this. The next one, which is already published, is a forum. The idea is that you answer this question based on what you have read and your personal experiences. It is already published and the due date is August 16th. It is 5% of the grade of the task. Then you will find this assignment that is not published yet, but it is scheduled for August the 17th, and the due date is August the 23rd. This one is 20% of the grade of the task, and the idea is that you write your first draft of the critique, that you receive feedback from your monitor and from AWAC. Here you will find very, very detailed instructions. And then you incorporate the feedback and you receive feedback for your classmates and you incorporate the feedback. Here you will find a checklist for you to provide feedback to your classmates. And finally, we have the final version of the critique, which is 70% of the grade for the first task. It will be open on August the 24th, and the due date is August the 30th. This is the one that I will grade, and I will grade this version based on this rubric. The rubric contains the following information: organization, writing quality, mechanics, author critique, and feedback session. So as you can notice, you will be assessed not only in your writing skills, but also in your ability to critique your ad, and also for attending the feedback session in AWAC and with the monitor. This rubric contains 20 points, but remember that this part of the task is 70% of the task. If you have any questions, you can write through the WhatsApp group, and I will be answering them. Thank you very much and have a nice day.